Hey audience, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to hiringmentor.com once again. We are back with again a very important, crucial and an amazing video. Like as we promised that we are going to take up those companies and we are going to make videos on those particular job companies who are providing job right now after this COVID or after this lockdown situation. You know that our country, India, or even worldwide, we have been suffering a lot due to this pandemic COVID-19, and across millions of people in our country has lost job and they are finding new ones right now. So if you're one of them, then this video is really going to be very important. Also, if you are interested in work in this particular company, like today we are going to discuss about Lufthansa. It's an airlines company, so if you think that your qualifications, your academic qualifications and other skills are matching and you really wanted to work in airlines company, so this video is specially for you. Also, make sure that you tuned till the end of this video, and if you like this video, then click on the like button and subscribe to our channel. Now in every such video, today I have one of my recruiters or my colleagues, Aujanya Rajeshwari, who will be mainly discussing about this job. So hey Rajeshwari, thanks. So today we are going to discuss about an airline company, Lufthansa. So before getting into the main portion or discussing the other details, it is very important for our candidates to know about the job, like what this company is all about, where is the origin of this company, whether it's an international company or a national company. So can you please give a brief description about this job?
Yeah, sure. Actually, Lufthansa Airlines, it belongs to the company, belongs to the country Germany, and it has services all around the world. Well, there are some job openings in this Lufthansa Airlines nowadays, and the people who are interested to find job applications related to this Lufthansa Airlines and wanted to work in this and to be a part in this, well, they can apply. This is the right time for you all. Well, job openings are open now and they are vacant. Well, this is about the Lufthansa Airlines.
Okay, that's great. And I think this is an international
Yes,
company. It's Germany based company. So this might also interest candidates to work here.
yes.
So now let's move on to the main discussion topic, like the process name, the knowledge required, the knowledge which our candidates require for applying for this job. So right now we discussed about what this company is all about. So that was all you need to know. For further information, you can definitely Google or go to our website, where you will get more about this, where you will get to know more about this company. Now that was about it. So Rajeshwari, can you please mention, or can you please speak about the process name or the hiring process for this?
Well, as you can see, the hiring, it's actually hiring for the IGT and the GGN. Well, IGT is the International Global Technologies, where the BPO services are also included. BPO in the sense business process outsourcing. Well, actually, the hiring name are these. Well, it considers many services that comes under this, like the BPO, and it also includes other jobs as well. Not only the BPO services, but also it includes the consultancies like that. It has many job variations that comes under this. This is about the process name.
Okay, okay. So that was about the process about this company. So that was all the technical information that you all need. Now let us get into the knowledge or the salary which we require. So Saujanya, can you please tell that to get into this company, what knowledge a particular candidate needs to gain in order to get hired over here?
Well, first of all, the candidate need to have experience of traveling, like getting to know the significance of the places all around the world. Well, he need to have a good record of traveling, like from one place to another place, like how many places he visited, how long he stayed in that place, and what are the languages he known, and what what is the information that he collected about the places that he traveled. Well, this is all important. This comes under the traveling experience. Well, the candidate need to have traveling experience for a few years, I can say, in a country or different countries across the world, but he need to have good knowledge about it. So the candidates who have good experience about the traveling and who know enough information about the places and the importance of the places and where they are located and the distances, definitely they can apply for it.
Okay, so you need to know a lot about the travel and places across the world, and this is especially a trait that is required in candidate, especially if you're applying for a job where you will have to, roam across the world, or you have to operate these kind of particular instructions. So it's very required that you know about travel and you know about different places. Now that was all about knowledge required and all the technical informations. Now after knowing this, if a particular candidate judges to decide or decides to work in this company on the basis of salary, so what kind of salary package should a candidate expect from this company?
Well, the candidate can expect up to 22,000 in hand per month. This is the starting salary that the airlines provide to the people who recruited, because they are the freshers as they are new to the jobs. And after a few months, definitely they will gain some experience and they'll have knowledge about the airlines. So as long as the days passes, definitely the salary will increase as well. And the airlines will also provide good salary packages for the freshers after a few months until they gain experience and the knowledge.
Okay, so that means this is the starting salary, and the candidate would also expect hike. So that is very important information that you gave right now.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, so now we discussed about the technical information. We also discussed about the knowledge that is required. And we have also discussed that if a particular candidate wants to judge a company by the salary he or she will be getting. So we also discussed about what is the salary or starting salary for a fresher, or and what kind of hike a person can expect. Now let us talk about the working days and other informations like selection process or which posts are particularly vacant. So first of all, speak about the working days that are available and how many holidays there are available, because these things come under facilities that are provided by a company to their candidates or employees. So Saujanya, we will be speaking about this is also very important.
Well, the working days are 5 days a week, where Saturday and Sunday are exceptional. Well, these 2 days are considered as holidays for the people whoever are working in these airlines. Well, the airlines also provide some facilities to the people as well, like cab services to the people from their home to office. Well, these kind of facilities will also be available, and it also includes work from home and work from office as well. Well, in this pandemic situation, it's very difficult for the people whoever are recruited to work in the companies or offices. Mostly they can work from home. Well, this is an optional one, but after the pandemic situation has completed or has ended, definitely they need to work from office. Well, this includes both work from home and work from office as well. And whereas they
Okay.
select, yeah, this is about it.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was really very important that one-site cab facilities are available, and we have been discussing about so many companies as too long. Like this is probably the sixth or the fifth video that we are making on companies, and as long as till now, as far as we have reached, we have seen that only Sunday is a holiday, or there are 6 working days in particular IT companies. But now we have 5 days in a week. That is 2 days are for holidays, so our candidate might feel very exceptional and might work in this company by knowing this. And also very important information that is shared by her, that regarding this work from office or work from home, after this COVID situation, the entire scenario has changed. And this is also very important and an exceptional point that we have come across in this particular video, that for till the lockdown or till the pandemic is going on, you can work from home. But after we are switching over to normal work days, like because the vaccine has also arrived, so now when the situation will become normal once again, you will have to work from home. So this is also very important. Now let's talk about the selection process, like in what process you can get selected, or what is the interview, or how will the interview take place, that whether you will have to come in front of the camera for a Zoom meeting, or you will have to be present physically, or there will be a telephonic interview or not. And most importantly, we will be talking about what vacancies are open right now. That is obviously the most important part of this, the cream of this video. So Sarjanya, we will be speaking about this.
Well, nowadays interviews are going on virtually because of this pandemic situation. As I have already mentioned here in this slide, it is of the telephonic interviews, which is connected on phone, where the recruiter will be posing some questions and the candidate need to answer to this question firmly and accurately. Well, this is about the telephonic interviews.
Okay, so for this company, we will have to, or the candidate will have to opt for a telephonic interviews, and interview is not holding or occurring in other ways, like not a video camera or a video meet or a Zoom meet, or the candidate will not have to be present physically at office also.
But basing on the schedule or basing on the changes of the Lufthansa Airlines, interviews can also be conducted virtually, where the candidate need to face the camera and the candidate need to answer the questions directly posed by the recruiter. But in this current situation, well, interviews are going on through telephone.
Okay, so that was really an important information that you gave. Now coming to the most important part of the entire video, that what are the vacancies in this company and which posts are open right now. So I guess that is the most important part. So what will you say about this?
Well, actually, there are different posts that are under this airlines. That is human resource manager, where the task of the person is to recruit the people basing on the capabilities and basing on the requirements of the airlines. And the next one is written version. It means that dealing with the documents and dealing with the proceedings or about the information. And the third position that is in there in this airlines is OPS. Well, these are the different types of jobs that are being vacant these days, and the candidate can be posted in any job if he or she is selected during the selection process or the interview process. Well, the HR and the written version and the OPS are three vacancies and or the job posts that are vacant in this Lufthansa Airlines.
Okay, so that was really very important, because these three are the only vacancies that are available right now. So you can go to the internet and search about this job, or you can also go to our website and search about this job, more about this job. And if you think that your educational qualification and your skills are matching and you're eligible for applying in these particular posts, then definitely do so. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I think we have come to the end of our video. We have been uh, experiencing and we'll be talking about so many important criteria to apply for this job, and I think it was really very fruitful to you all. Now in closing, let's discuss about the academic eligibility as well, like academically and skillfully, what are the criteria that you need to overcome or you need to gain in order to get this job. So Saujanya, can you speak something about this?
Well, actually, the meaning of the eligibility means the capabilities. Whether the particular candidate, whoever is looking forward to work in this Lufthansa Airlines, well, whether he has good qualifications or not. Where any undergraduate who completed their, undergraduation or maybe of PG level can apply for this, Lufthansa Airlines, whoever are looking forward to get their job in these airlines. Well, the eligibility is first of all the candidate need to have qualifications about his education, and the next thing is he need to have good knowledge about the traveling. I think I have already given some clear points about that in that previous slide. Well, the candidate need to have good traveling knowledge. Well, the candidate need to know the significance, and he need to collect information about different places and what are the famous places that are located in different countries, and also the candidate need to know about the history of the places, like how the places are originated, and why are they famous for, and what is the food that they eat. Well, these all kind of information will be, need to be there in that particular candidate, whoever is good at traveling from one place to the another place. Well, he need to collect all these kinds of information in order to be eligible for this job in Lufthansa Airlines. And these are the two things that a candidate need to make sure of in order to get a job in this.
Okay, that was great. Now we have been talking about eligibility after so many slides, and this was mainly about the academic eligibility that you need to have. So this is also very important, guys. Please note about this. So as long as now we have been discussing about the eligibility, the vacant posts that are available now, after ticking all these particular marks, or ticking all these particular criteria, after we have completed all this, when a candidate feels that he or she is applicable or eligible to apply for this job, it is very mandatory for that candidate to know what he or she can do to get this job. So, Saujanya, what will you say that what skills they must nurture, and what kind of basic criteria they need to overcome for applying for this job?
Well, the first point is good communication skills. I think I have covered this in previous videos as well, where communication skills are very essential in any person. It is considered as the, one of the capabilities or one of the requirements that the Lufthansa Airlines is looking forward. Well, communication skills plays an important role. It means that the interaction with the other persons, or expressing some kind of views or thoughts on about particular topic to other persons. Well, in every company or in every organization or a candidate whoever looking for a job, definitely the first requirement that they seek, the first requirement that they will require is the good communication skills. Whether the particular person who is applying for this job can speak better English or not, is he fluent in that language, or he can speak accurately, or he can uh, does he describe the particular content expressively to the other people or not. These are the types of things that the recruiter will consider to that person whoever is being in the selection process. Well, this is one of the important skills that is required in every candidate these days. Without having good communication skills, or without having knowledge about the language, English language, which is considered as universal language, then definitely the chances of that person who doesn't have skills will be very less. So you need to consider this as an important element in order to get recruited in this Lufthansa Airlines, as it is an international one. There might be some chances of transferring from one country to another country as well. Well, definitely you need to have good proficiency in English language in order to communicate with the other people who comes from different countries. Well, this is about it. And the next thing is experience required is mandatory, where the experience of 6 months is mandatory of the candidate whoever is applying for this job in these airlines. Well, traveling experience and having traveling knowledge is considered as an important element, where the candidate need to have good knowledge about the places across the globe, and he need to know the significance of the places and the languages the people speak in those kind of religions. and the distance what it covers, like from one place to another place, what is the distance between these two places, and what is a specialty in different kinds of places. And it might be, the knowledge of the weather and climate over there and the plantations. Well, these all comes under the traveling experience. Well, the candidate need to have good adequate knowledge about the traveling experience, and he need to have good record of traveling, like how many places he visited in this year, and how many places he traveled from one country to another country, and what is the information that he collected when he visited these places. Well, this is nothing but the good record, and the candidate need to have answers to all these questions. Well, if you have these two, definitely the hiring chances will be very high.
Absolutely, and that was an excellent answer. So as she said, that communication skills are very important, and experience is also mandatory. This is a very important point, guys. And she also mentioned the field in which you will have to gain experience about, that is travel and tourism. So these are some very important points, so please know about this. So I think we have covered all the criteria that we need to require, and which are more requested on our channel to be discussed about. We have discussed about all relevant information. Now, after knowing all these, if a candidate feels that she or he might apply for this job and is ready to apply for this job, what are the ways to reach out to reach this company or to apply for this company? Now, this is ultimately the most important question that Saujanya will be answering right now.
Well, if you have any queries in your mind related to anything, like related to any kind of business information, then definitely the candidate need to visit this website, that is www.hiringmentor.com. Well, if you have any queries about the recruitment process or the selection process, or how to attend the interviews, and what are the openings or job vacancies in different different companies or organizations, and if the candidate is quite confused about what to wear and what not to wear, well, this kind of information will be provided in this website. Well, this website will help you in each and every way. It will guide you in each and every step. If you have any kind of questions, if you have any kind of confusion in your mind, when you check out this website, definitely it provides you clarified information where you will get rid all the doubts that is in your mind right now. So please visit this website for valuable information about the about the job vacancies are related to the business sector.
Yeah, that was absolutely a right answer. And we are always here to help you. So, if you feel any doubt to ask, then feel free to ask by clicking on our website www.hiringmentor.com. The relevant links are given below in the description box. So, that was all, guys. We will be back with another very important and amazing video. And I hope that you all liked this video and found it very informative and fruitful. So if you really like this video, then hit on the like button and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that the next time we come up with an amazing video, you get notified immediately. So yeah, thank you.